guys, it's Mary. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out the Jeffree Star Liquid Frost highlight. So if you want to see kind of what I did for this glow, kind of my thoughts on it and everything like that, that's what I'll be doing in today's video. If you all enjoy, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'll have all my social media links down below, like my Twitter and Instagram, so you should go follow me on there if you're not following me already. And without further ado, let's just hop into the video.
So here's just what it looks like. It comes in a clear bottle. Everything is pink. You unscrew it and it has a dripper, and then you just push the top of the thing to get the product out, and it's super easy to use. And I just applied it on my normal highlighting spots. Unfortunately, the footage deleted, and I love that for me, but I used the shade Ice Queen.
I'll be using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. I think I'll just be applying this one more time just because I kind of used it underneath my foundation, and when you put that all on, you obviously can't really see it. So I'm going to be baking with the Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Banana. I'll just be using the Bronzer kit from Morphe, and I'm using the shade Vlogger. So this is what it looks like, and I'll be using the contour shade right now. So I'll just be taking off all the excess powder. Then I'll be using the Beach Cosmetics blush in the shade Caribbean Coral. Now, obviously, since I set my face and everything, I can't go back in with a liquid highlight, but I think it still did a pretty good job. Kind of hard to see on camera right now, but you can still kind of see it through. And yet again, usually if you're using a liquid highlight, you're not going to be doing baking and everything like that because it's supposed to be a little bit more natural. But I wanted to see how it held up with other highlights if you were to use a powder highlight on top. So I'll be using my Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'll be using the shade Summer, and I'll be mixing it with the shade Tourmaline just because that has kind of the same pinky undertones that the Jeffree Star one did. I applied some mascara, and this is pretty much it. It worked amazing. Before I put on any powder or set my face, which kind of doled out the liquid highlight, it was so strong. And then after I put on my foundation and put it on again, it was phenomenal. It looked so great. Obviously, it's not something that if you want to wear it by itself and not wear any powder highlight, you're probably not going to want to bake or set your face too much. But if you do and you apply a powder highlight on top, not only does it makes it pop so much more, because I've used this highlight with the same foundation, same powder and everything, but it still makes it pop so much more, and it blends in really nicely with it as well. There are liquid highlights that I've used and then set my face and then put powder highlight on top, and it just didn't really like blend well with it or anything like that, but they look really well together, and I really liked it a lot. Obviously, I'm wearing a lot of powdery products, so I probably wouldn't do that for other future uses with it. I'd probably do something more dewy, a little more natural, but it's really blinding when you don't use any powdery products at all. And then if you want to use a powder highlight on top, like I said before, it just blends so nicely. That was it for today's video on testing out the Jeffree Star Liquid Highlight. I hope you all enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'll have all my social media links down below, like my Twitter and my Instagram, so you should go follow me on there if you're not following me already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.